Yes, but for something like this, the main shapes, I literally just used like the pen tool and then filled it in, and then all of the line work, I used this this brush called Too Smooth to Be Forgotten, and I think it was 20. Yeah, so this is what I used just for this stuff, and that is everything to create this. It's literally this line art brush and then the pen tool, and that's all I used. All right, so Pat says Brushbox is made. Pat, how much is Brushbox? So the only difference with this version here is I grabbed this bone dry sponge and I used it to kind of like shade in different parts. So again, now that brings it up to like 2 brushes used. And then this is the same thing where instead of the brush, the bone dry sponge, I used this streaky brush. So again, 2 brushes. So you don't need a whole lot. It's just good to kind of experiment.